The reality of wealth, a journey you've been denied. The wealth gap. Imagine this, $1, $10, $100. Now let this circle represent $1 million. Picture it clearly. Now multiply it by 10. That's $10 million. Increase it to $100 million. Impressive, right? But now imagine $1 billion. A number so staggering that it seems distant, almost unreal. And yet there are individuals who don't just own 1 billion. They own hundreds of billions. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, has a wealth that is 117 times that billion-dollar mark. It's hard to fathom. But then, there's you. Your current reality. You might be working a regular job right now, one you studied years for, but somehow it doesn't seem like enough. Your living expenses are high, your savings are low if they exist at all. Student debt, credit card debt, they're weights around your neck. Or maybe you're still a student, hoping that once you land a job, you can start making good money. But even that feels uncertain. You dream of owning a house, traveling the world, driving that dream car, but it feels like just that. A dream, doesn't it? How did they do it? You look at millionaires, billionaires, especially the ones who made it young, and the thought races through your mind. They were born into it, they cheated, it's luck. But what if you're wrong? The lies we've been told from a young age, society has painted a very narrow picture of what success looks like. Study hard, get a degree, find a stable job, work your way up. But this is a flawed, two-dimensional equation. You've been taught that money equals salary earned from a job. But ask yourself, does it? Or is that just a comfortable narrative sold to you? The media feeds you the stereotype that wealth is evil. But here's the truth. 68% of the ultra-wealthy are self-made. People like Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, they weren't born into wealth. They solved problems that no one else was solving. The harsh reality of time. The most important resource? Time. Once it's gone, it's gone. You're working 40 hours a week for a paycheck, trading your time for money. But here's the kicker. You can't scale time. At $20 an hour, it would take you almost 24 years to make $1 million. That's if you didn't spend a cent on taxes, bills, or food. And inflation, it erodes the value of your savings. Suddenly, the goal of wealth seems impossible. But that's not the equation millionaires use. The wealth equation. The wealthy understand something fundamental. Money doesn't come from working for it. It comes from solving problems. The bigger the problem, the bigger the reward. Think about Amazon. What problem does it solve? Convenience. People hated the hassle of going to the store. They wanted things cheaper, faster, easier. Jeff Bezos saw this problem and created a solution. That's how you build wealth. You solve problems. Perception of value. In capitalism, you are paid in proportion to your perceived value. Football players make millions, not because they work harder than a cleaner, but because the market places higher value on what they do. It's all about perception. Elon Musk doesn't code every part of Tesla or SpaceX, but he understands how to solve big problems and scale them. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. The key to wealth. Look around you. What problems exist in your everyday life? What frustrates people? What do they wish was easier, faster, or cheaper? That's where wealth hides. Your solution to a problem needs to be scalable. A local restaurant isn't scalable, but an app, a service that can grow beyond borders, that is. And the best part? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to find one problem. Start small, but think big to get ahead. A winding, rocky path. Some people give up along the way, others persist, reaching the summit. The road to wealth isn't easy. It's full of obstacles, moments of doubt, and setbacks. Most won't make it, but for those who keep solving problems, who learn to scale their solutions, the rewards are beyond imagination. Wealth isn't about owning expensive things. It's about freedom. Freedom from the worry of bills. Freedom to spend time on what you love. Freedom to live life on your terms. Your next step. So what will you do? Will you go back to your job, believing the game is rigged? Or will you start listening to the problems around you? Because in every problem, there is an opportunity. Stop chasing money, start chasing problems, and the wealth you've been dreaming of, it might be closer than you think. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, hit the like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more documentary-style videos on business, finance, and life. Until next time, keep solving problems, and let wealth come naturally.